We've travelled all the way to Waterford to the Sanofi headquarters for IBEC's brand new initiative. It's called Manufacturing Day Ireland. So come with me to find out more about it.
I'm really proud that Sanofi is supporting Ireland's first Manufacturing Day, an initiative from IBEC. Manufacturing is at the heart of what we do here in Waterford. It's how we deliver life-changing medicines to patients all over the world, some with really rare disease, others with autoimmune disease and other conditions as well. Manufacturing isn't just about manual skills, it's really about how do we integrate technology, automation, AI to manufacture the products that we have today.
It's a very exciting role to be with because we have cutting-edge technologies here. We have automated methods to make our lives easier, testing quickly. We have robots doing all the dilutions in the lab so that we get the products quicker to patients, which is our final goal in here. I always wanted to be closer to patients, and I thought biopharma would be a right platform to start with. So I started as an analyst to now leading a team, so it's a great privilege. What makes our work truly meaningful is knowing that behind every test we perform and every method we transfer, there's a patient waiting for the treatment. So this drives our commitment to excellence and fuels our innovation.
When I first joined the company in 2018, I had no experience in sterile manufacturing, in pharmaceutical in general, so it was all very new to me. So I suppose in the last 7 years, I've progressed really quickly. When we talk specifically about Sanofi, there's some fantastic programs in place to support women, I suppose, and women in leadership. And it's a big thing for me when I do go into transition year schools, I talk to them about their potential earnings, that you have to go into a job you love, obviously, but you have to understand what your earning potential is. So I do speak to them to say that there's a lot of opportunity to earn money and have good salaries and have a very nice life, I suppose, or a lifestyle going into STEM careers, but it's to make them aware that they should do research into earning.
I suppose the impact of product patients as well. We made a product here, and it was actually the same product my granddad used to take for kidney dialysis. That bottle that we were creating could have been for a relative of mine, or it could be yours or anyone's. So you want to make sure that that's the best quality product going out the door. So you're not just doing it for you, you're doing it for everyone.
It's a really good site and business in terms of opportunity. I didn't follow the traditional route, I suppose, when finishing school with college and that, so I was late, I suppose, to further education. Since I've started with Sanofi, I finished off an accountancy degree. From that, then the company supported me with a manufacturing and management degree, and most recently finished my master's in lean OPEX. So supported across the whole way, lots of education and learning on the job and off the job.
We've over 1,000 team members here on site. It's a diverse, rewarding career. At Sanofi, we're proud of our people, our innovation and the impact that we have on patients every single day.
For more information about Manufacturing Day Ireland, you can go to ibec.ie.